What's happening, guys? Here's the box that has the display, the new display for the MacBook 2008, 13. Let's open it up, see what kind of damage, hopefully no damage to it. What it looks like, what kind of condition it is. What's this one? Opening box one here. There we go. Jeez. There we go. Put a lot of tape on this. I know that. Now look at all that tape. And making sure you get your walk out in. You want to open the box, you gotta walk for it. That's what they said. Okay, a lot of bubble wrap. Very good. A little bit of bubble wrap. Oh, some more bubble wrap. Very nice. Very nice. They did very good on packaging. Let's set this over here. Put you back up here. Unwrap you. Okay, there it is. Let's look at the cables. Look at that. So, the screen, in excellent condition. The back here. Oh, that's not bad at all. There are a couple scratches, but you know, I was thinking about putting that case on here anyways. But awesome condition right there. See, what does this look like? That's alright, guys. Focus, focus. Focus, focus. Uh-huh. There we go. Finally. That's not too bad. It's actually in better condition than mine with the old one. Let me zoom in. Can I zoom in? There we go. There we go. See that? The corner right here, this one right here, that was missing on the other one. What's the other one real quick? If we can zoom in, come on. Come on. Focus, I mean, if we can focus here. There we go. So, That's not bad at all. Yeah, that's not... I don't think this is gonna work, guys. Okay. Cool. There it is. This one here, I'm pretty sure is for the picture. This one here is for the backlit. The Apple logo on the back, I should say. It lights up. Yeah. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna put this together and I'll be back afterwards to show you guys the final final production or product, or however you want to say it, the final repairs. Hopefully the final repairs. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. If you guys like this kind of content, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you guys pretty soon.